Hey guys, hello, welcome to my channel Build with AI. Today we are going to cover one of the important concept called how to solve Git merge conflict. So this is the issue we will be facing whenever we deal with Git. So whenever multiple developers are involved with single repository, so this is the common issue we face with Git. So in order to have this, I just have installed Git using in the browser. You just have to give git install and it will provide the specific installer for you, Windows or Mac OS or Linux. So you just go ahead and install that. I'll just my focus is to just show how do we get the git conflicts and how to solve that, right? So in order to demo that, I have one file called merge conflict test.py. So it has a very simple code, one message, and that printing that message. And if I check the branches, what are the branches I have? So if I check that, there are two branches. One is main branch, which will be used in production, and one is the developer branch, which is a feature six-sided, is named as a feature six-sided branch. So let me first see if there are any changes in the main branch. It said there are no changes as of now. Everything is committed. Everything is good. So now let me change something in the main branch. I just removed this. Okay, and I just add here main branch. I just saved it, and so once it is saved, need to commit these changes, right? So I'll just add this file, then commit this file, just to give the message as main update. Okay, now this is committed to the main branch. Now let me go to the developer branch. Git checkout. This is the command which we use in order to switch between the branches. Checkout feature six-sided. This is the branch, right? So I just switched to the new branch and I see the whatever is there in the developer branch it is showing. Let's say just change this to, let's say, feature branch, just to identify. There I've written as a main branch. This is I've come to feature branch. Now I've written it as a feature branch. Okay, I just saved it. Let me do the same thing again. I just add it and I'll commit this change. While committing, I'll give the message as feature update. Git commit minus feature update, right? So this is now committed. Now let me go to the main branch again, git checkout main, and try to merge whatever we have made changes in the feature branch to the main branch. So usual command which we write is git merge feature six-sided. So this feature six-sided is the feature branch, and we have done some changes to the feature branch, and now the developer wants to merge that changes to the main branch. But in the main branch already there is some change because it's in the same line. Git will see it as a conflict because in the same line there are two different codes, right? So it will ask our confirmation which one you have to keep and which one you have to discard, or if you want to keep the both. If I when I try to git merge this, right, it definitely will give the conflict here. It says there is a conflict found, and it says this is the head is the main branch. In the main branch you have this code, and in the feature branch you have this code, and which code you want to keep. You resolve that conflict, then only you will be able to merge, or you will be able to push to the main branch. So let's say I want to keep this main branch only. I want to keep this feature branch one. I just remove this. this thing. Okay, kept this and saved it. Now let me add this. Add the newly changed file. Let me commit. So this is how we commit the file. Commit resolve. Once this is committed, we can definitely push the latest changes to the main. Push. Right, so this is how we resolve the conflict. So whenever there is changes on the feature branch and on the main branch on the same line, so Git will get confused which one to keep, and it will not make the automatic guess. It will ask user to confirm which one you have to keep and which one I need to discard. So this is how we resolve the conflict. And if I see here, see, this is the feature branch changes are there in the main branch. So this is how we resolve the conflict. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.